How to use tablet mode in Windows 10. Hey everybody, in this video we are going to teach you. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So open up your desktop and you should be finding this interface. Now from here, all you gotta do is locate up the comments option at the right hand side in the bottom right. Go ahead and locate it up and click on it. So once you go ahead and click on notification, you can easily find an tablet mode option right here on this section. If you can't find it here, you can go ahead and click on manage notifications and this opens up. Now from manage notifications, scroll down and look for the option called tablet, this one right here. And from here, you can go ahead and we have this option. You can go ahead and use the sign in option, or you can select this drop down option and you can, ask for permissions or something like that as well. Otherwise, in order to turn it on, you can go to change additional tablet settings and you can easily find an on option. As my device is not compatible with the touch abilities, so I cannot touch it, but you can still turn it on, like turn on the tablet mode like this. Click on just go ahead and turn that toggle option and you should be finding your screen being changed into a tablet mode. So if your laptop supports the touchscreen method, you can apply up this method in order to do so. Otherwise, you can just turn it off. So that is how you basically turn on tablet mode on your Windows. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.